Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the KeevX to create the video, and it is very useful to create the educational or marketing video and another purposes. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, to start off this video, I might ask you a question. Have you ever watched the video or advertisement like this?
Finally found it. This is the Stanley Flow State Quencher.
Isn't that very natural and also clean video for advertisement, right? So surprisingly, this KeevX AI will help you to create it. And if you would like to access it, you can do the login first with your email. And for the new user, they will usually give you the chance to create 1 minute video here, and it is for free. But maybe after this, you need to upgrade it to become pro and buy their several credits or package to create another video, guys. Let's go back into the tutorial. So guys, if you would like to create it, then this AI will give you the several tool. For example, AI video advertisement, and also the translate and also dub video. And after that, it will give you the chance to create the idea into the video. And after that, the Pro Studio here. And I would like to try to create the video from the idea to video. And after that, it will bring you into this section if you click it. But if you would like to have the another inspiration from the another video from the another user, you can simply click this, for example,
As someone with sensitive skin,
and you can click use template, and after that it will bring you into this section, guys. As you can see, these are the detail of the avatar that will help you to present about the advertisement. And after that, this is the script that will be read by this avatar, and also the music while presenting this advertisement. But if you would like to make it from scratch, don't worry. You can go back to choose the idea into the video. When you have already click it, then it will bring you into this section. You can type the theme or topic that you would like to create, and after that you can choose the avatar that will help you to present your advertisement or the information that you would like to present. And after that you can choose the template and the ratio over here. There are 16 and 9 and also vice versa, and the objective, and also the speaker and the audience. For example, I have just put the topic here is about the resistance training, and the avatar is Oscar, and the template is I choose the regular one. And for the objective, I want this video to describe about the benefits of the resistance training, and the purpose is so people can be more aware to maintain their health. And also the speaker is the trainer at the gym, and also the audience is it is for all public. And if you would like to, and right after you generate it, then it will show you the several scene that will be presented into your video, guys. But if you would like to recreate it, or if you would like to change something in it from this settings such as the avatar, template, objective, speaker, audience, or even the topic, then you can simply recreate outline. But I will continue to create this video. As you can see that this AI has already prepared about the scene that will present it into my video. And if I have already felt it is good already, then I will go to click generate scene based on the outline. Kindly wait for the process. And let's try to adjust the outline. Okay, this will give you the more view to to see the every single scene. And after that, this is the scene and also the look of every scene. And if I okay with that, then I will continue in editor and kindly wait for the process. Just like the template in the previous video, this will give you the editing room or editing space to before you generate this video, guys. For example, I will play it for a while.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring Unlock Your
As you can see here, that
Potential, the
the
power of
accurate
resistance
lip
training.
sync is will be generated or it will adjust the script right after the generation process. And after that, I will go to the generated and I will type the name, the benefits of resistance training. Training. Oh, it's already. I just put it train and I will put the resolution. You can choose this 180. I'm sorry, 1080 or 720 pixel. For example, I will choose this one and click export and kindly wait for the generating voice and I will go back to you to let you know about the result, guys. And after it's almost ready to being generated, it will confirm you again about the usage. It's like the duration credits. So the estimation of my video will be 52 seconds and the available usage is 1 minute. So I will continue to click confirm and kindly wait for the process. And finally, our video is ready. Let's see the result, guys. Let's
Hello,
play
everyone.
it.
Today, we're exploring Unlock Your Potential, the power of resistance training. Let's discover the incredible benefits for your health and fitness.
As you can see that this avatar says everything perfectly following the script that we made before. And also
Resistance training uses external forces to challenge your muscles.
the sound or the voice is quite natural, but you can do the next step if you would like to add the
Think weights,
scene
bands,
that
or even your own body.
also following and also adjusting the every single scene. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and I suggest you to try this KeevX AI to create your video for your purpose. And don't worry because you can also download it and it will officially save into your device. And if you have any requests or feedback about this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.